Introducing DIY tax, a simple tax solution to help small businesses comply with making tax digital. In this video, we will explore how DIY tax helps you to manage your VAT submissions. DIY tax works for UK business owners and landlords if you are VAT registered. It helps you to manage your VAT submissions. It can also help you manage your income and expenses, giving you control over your cash and helping you to speed up your cash flow. Using the Setup wizard, you select MTD VAT. Then connect your business to HMRC. You'll need your business details and your VAT information. Next, we'll help you to select which method you would prefer to use to maintain your digital records. We know that as a business owner, your time is precious. You will want to keep on top of your admin on the go as and when it suits you. With DIY tax, you will be able to access DIY tax from your computer, tablet, or phone. It is important to emphasize, for security reasons, we do not store customer information on your devices. This means that your information is always safe, even if you lose your computer or phone. Here are some top tips for using DIY tax for businesses that are VAT registered. First, as a business which meets the VAT threshold, you are likely to have a separate bank account for your business transactions. With DIY tax, you can connect to your bank account and create digital records based on the content of the bank account. It is a really efficient way of updating your business records and submitting your VAT returns. Second, use the Take a Photo service to store a copy of the invoices for all of your business expenses. You can also use it to keep a copy of the invoices you issue to your customers to track your income and VAT details. It means you have a full digital VAT record which you can access at any time. Third, DIY tax will automatically update all your business invoice and expense data and calculate your net VAT position. Finally, the invoice and expense facility lets you manage your business expenses and also issue branded invoices to your customers. This makes it easier to track payments of money you are owed, to chase for late payments, and to speed up your business cash flow. It's like having your own finance assistant. Each quarter, the DIY tax app will automatically summarize your business income and expenses for your quarterly submissions. You don't submit all individual transactions to HMRC, just a high-level summary. In the app, you will get support for questions you may have. That includes questions on making tax digital, on how to use the DIY tax app. We hope you found this helpful. We try to keep the videos short and informative. Our objective is to provide our customers with good technology, good advice, and good support. Thank you for watching.